warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My heart is so full of longing. I wish to be close to my beloved. I dream to walk in the streets of Medina and to quiet the thoughts of my spirit by visiting you, O Muhammad. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka ya Habibi ya Nabi Allah ya Rasulallah. Oh Taiba, your praise is so blessing, and then it brought life back to my spirit. I love my heart with my beloved, sending blessing on Muhammad. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka ya Habibi ya Nabi Allah ya